of tomato. It is 50 rupees only. Better base, it is too much. Is it fresh vegetables? This is fresh vegetables. It has no chemical. It is taken from a warm garden. What is the rate of potato? That's 20 rupees only. Give me 1 kg of potato. The correct weight. See here, ma'am, the correct weight. Please visit again. Okay, thank you.
Carrot, carrot, cabbage, cabbage, broccoli, broccoli. 1, 2, 3. Let's chop some carrots, carrots. Na na na. Let's chop some cabbage.